So I already finished putting the um the gathers on this. I'm just going again around making sure that they fortified and adding glue, more glue, and putting it down so it stays down. That's very painful. It's hot. This looks beautiful already. Look at that. That looks beautiful already. So now I'm gonna use my cord, not cord, my diamond stud roll that I got from the dollar store to finish this up. So I'm gonna measure from here all the way here and cut it into and cut two of them, two pieces out, because I'm gonna use it on the other side too. And then I love to finish it over here too, to give it that elegant look. If I still have some left, then I'm gonna finish up the other side. The second one goes over there, overlapping a little bit. So I'm going to use this to continue over there. You see how beautiful that looks already? So since I have enough left, I'm gonna see if I can run it at the edges of this also. So I'm gonna turn it away from me and show you as I go down. Put half of it on the frill and half of it on the black. Pushing it down. That looks really nice. Project is coming up really nicely. You're pressing down as you're gluing. I think I lost my glue, my last stick of glue here. Oh, here it is. So you eyeball it and see where it's going to end. You cut it off. And we come to the end of our project. So I'm just going to add some glue here to finish it off. Fortifying the one that I did before, making sure that it stays down. And we have come to the end of the project. So this is how beautiful it looks like. It's how nice it looks like. If you would like to use this for a wedding, look at how nice it looks like. Beautiful. If you like this video, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.